guys, Ari back with another video. Tonight's video is my how to lip gloss combo look. So I'm going to teach you guys how I do my ombre lip gloss look. And I have 4 items right here. These are my items. Y'all see the vibes. I'm going to start with my NYX pencil in a color dark brown. I have my concealer in MAC concealer in the color 35. My Hair Supplies Beauty Store lip gloss. NYX butter gloss. This is my favorite. It smells so good and it tastes good. Well, I ain't gonna say it tastes good, but it smells like chocolate. It's my favorite, and it's in the color Madeline. So let's get started. You can already tell I already did my makeup. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with the dark brown NYX pencil. Have to be too perfect because I'm gonna show y'all the best part at the end. So I usually kill it without using what I use at the end, but I love using this item at the end. I like the overline now. I used to not do this, but I like doing it. Just a little bit. I overlined it a little bit. So even. Butter gloss. I'm going in with this. I like to blend it down so it can look like that ombre look. I have no top lip for real, so last step, going in with my 35 shade matte concealer. So better put some of y'all on, cause y'all don't know, some of y'all liners be looking uneven and crusty. Remember when I said your lip liner don't have to be perfect? Let me show y'all something. I'm about to lip line my line to make it perfect. Whew. And I just pull it down so it can match evenly with the makeup.
This shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Oh, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, your man a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh?
And this is the final look.
I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got attic on my wrist, doing front flips.
Make a thumbnail.
My number, but don't.
That is my everyday lip combo look, my ombre look. Thanks for watching.